Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, take 1 second to hit the subscribe button below and also turn on your post notifications so you know next time I'm all up on your screen. Thank you. So today I come to you about something I've been trying for about 3.5 months now. It's a henna tea, and the reason why I'm trying it, it's supposed to be a strengthening spritz. So what you do is you make it, you spritz it on your hair. You don't drench the hair, but you do spritz it, and it's supposed to help your hair get stronger. It has been working, and it's just like the fenugreek seed, which video I will link up here. The only thing is the smell can be very strong. I prefer the smell of the fenugreek spritz because it smells more sweet, more honey-like, and this one didn't much, but it did work. So let's get right into the video on how I make it.
They don't make them beats like they used to. They don't make them beats. They don't make them beats like they used to. They don't make them beats. They don't get their life like they used to. They don't get their life. They don't take the night like they used to. They don't take the night like they used to. They don't snap that snap like they used to. They don't snap that snap. They don't click click clack like they used to. They don't click click clack. They don't push that back like they used to. They don't push that back. They don't bump that track like they used to. They don't bump that track like they used to. Dance till the night dies, till the night dies. Live till the sunrise, till the sunrise. Work, get your whole life, get your whole life. We gon' pose for that spotlight. We gon' dance till the night dies. They don't make them beats like they used to. They don't make them beats. They don't make them beats like they used to. They don't make them beats. They don't get their life like they used to. They don't get their life. They don't take the night like they used to. They don't take the night like they used to. We at the scene, check the posse. Faces adjusted to capacity. I don't know them, but they know me. Bitch, if you gagging, then that's my ID. If we in the room, it's a kiki. Ballin', they brought in the bottles for free. Taking the night, don't wanna leave. Don't kill my vibe, don't touch my weave. 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 Weave, 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 weave. Don't kill my vibe, don't touch my weave. They don't make them beats like they used to. They don't make them beats. They don't make them beats like they used to. They don't make them beats. They don't get their life like they used to. They don't get their life. They don't take the night like they used to. They don't take the night like they used to.
We going in, no photo ops. They taking pictures like they with the pops. Girls in their heels, boys in their crops. They booty shaking even if they tops. We hit the room, everything stops. They spying me,
2,000 years later.
me like Betty Wap. I love when the bass and the cakes drop. When you hit the floor, the DJ play the vibe.
Dance till the night dies,
till the night dies.
live
Till the sunrise, till the sunrise.
work, get your whole life, get your whole life. We gon' pose for that spotlight. We gon' dance till the night dies. They don't make them beats like they used to. They don't make them beats.
They don't make them beats like they used to. They don't make them beats.
They don't get their life like they used to. They don't get their life.
They don't take the night like they used to.
They don't take that night like they used to. They don't snap that snap like they used to. They don't snap that snap.
They don't click click clack like they used to. They don't click click clack.
They don't push that back like they used to. They don't push that back.
They don't bump that.
So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. If you did like it, don't forget to smash that like button. Do leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next time.
Hey, calling all of my bad bitches.